Guys, another week has started, and as we all know, every week starts with excitement, drama, and entertainment on anime. And on this video, I wanted to share with you guys some of the plots that we can expect on the show this week. So let's start with the Monday episode 106, titled 50-50. The divorce war between Zolega and Hlati turns ugly, brutal, and explosive, leaving Kawe emotionally broken by her parents' vicious battle. Lucanio courageously steps in to protect his sister, and his fists end up doing the talking when words fail. Hlengyue's nightmare escalates dramatically when official investigators arrive at her door with serious questions. Now, the Tuesday episode 107, titled Let Them. Despite being physically battered, Hlati continues breathing fire and plotting revenge, but meets his match in defying Lucanio, who is prepared to go to war for family loyalty. Lucanio shows with conviction that his sister owes her manipulative husband absolutely nothing. Meanwhile, Lwandle finally uncovers the biggest lie his parents have been hiding from him, which leads us to the Wednesday episode. This is episode 108, titled Unstable Families. Thumeka attracts a new romantic admirer, and the attention drives the jealous Hlati completely insane with rage. Brother Justice makes his calculated romantic play for the lonely woman, and Lwandle faces critical choices that could either save his mother from legal trouble or bury her completely. Throughout the community, family units crack and crumble under the devastating pressure of jealousy and deceit. Taking us now to the Thursday episode 109, titled New Strategies. Lazarus whispers a potential game-changing strategy that could save Zolega's business empire from complete destruction. Then Thumeka agrees to go on a date with the charming brother Justice, opening her to new possibilities. The Zondo family finally experiences peaceful moments for the first time in ages. However, Lwandle's desperate gamble could permanently take Hlengyue down. Now, the Friday episode, and you all know, the last episode of the week, and this is 110. First dates and second chances. That now is a title. Zolega chokes at the devastating thought of splitting her life's work and empire with a man who doesn't deserve any of it, while Thumeka bravely risks her heart with brother Justice. But their budding romance shatters completely when Hlati unintentionally crashes their romantic date with his presence. Now, that is what we can expect on Inima this week, ladies and gentlemen. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.